New potatoes, often referred to as baby potatoes or early potatoes, are young potatoes harvested before they reach full maturity. They are prized for their tender skin, creamy texture, and slightly sweet flavor. Beyond their culinary appeal, new potatoes offer a variety of health benefits that make them a nutritious addition to any diet. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Rich in nutrients. New potatoes are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber. They are particularly rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that supports the immune system, promotes healthy skin, and aids in the absorption of iron. A serving of new potatoes can provide a significant portion of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Additionally, new potatoes contain B vitamins, such as B6 and folate, which are crucial for energy metabolism, brain health, and the production of red blood cells. They also offer potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, maintain fluid balance, and support proper muscle function. Number 2. High in antioxidants. New potatoes are a good source of antioxidants, including carotenoids and flavonoids. These compounds help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. The antioxidant content of new potatoes is particularly concentrated in the skin, so consuming them with the skin on maximizes their health benefits. The skins also contain fiber and additional nutrients, making them an important part of the potato. Number 3. Supports digestive health. New potatoes are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining healthy digestion. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, promotes regular bowel movements, and prevents constipation. It also supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in maintaining gut health and overall well-being. Furthermore, new potatoes contain resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine and reaches the colon intact. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut and promoting a healthy microbiome. This can lead to improved digestion, enhanced nutrient absorption, and reduced inflammation. Number 4. Low in calories and fat. New potatoes are naturally low in calories and fat, making them a great option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. They are also cholesterol-free, which is beneficial for heart health. Despite their low-calorie content, new potatoes are satiating due to their fiber and resistant starch content, helping to control appetite and prevent overeating. Number 5. Good source of energy. New potatoes are a valuable source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a steady and sustained release of energy. Unlike simple carbohydrates, which can cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar levels, complex carbohydrates are digested slowly, leading to a gradual rise in blood sugar. This makes new potatoes an excellent choice for athletes, active individuals, and anyone needing a reliable energy source. Number 6. May help regulate blood sugar levels. The resistant starch found in new potatoes may have a positive effect on blood sugar levels. Resistant starch is slowly digested, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This can help prevent spikes in blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. For individuals with diabetes, or those at risk of developing the condition, incorporating new potatoes into a balanced diet may help manage blood sugar levels. Number 7. Versatile and delicious. In addition to their health benefits, new potatoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. They can be boiled, steamed, roasted, or grilled, and they pair well with various herbs, spices, and other ingredients. Whether served as a side dish, in salads, or as a main course, new potatoes add a delightful texture and flavor to meals. Well, that is all about the health benefits of new potatoes. However, here are some frequently asked questions about new potatoes. Let's check it out. Question 1. How do new potatoes differ from regular potatoes? New potatoes are harvested earlier in the growing season, resulting in a smaller size and a more delicate skin compared to regular, mature potatoes. They are often waxier and less starchy, making them ideal for boiling and salads rather than mashing or frying. Question 2. Are new potatoes available throughout the year? New potatoes are typically available in spring and early summer, coinciding with the early potato harvest. However, availability may vary depending on the region and agricultural practices. Question 3. Are new potatoes more nutritious than regular potatoes? New potatoes contain similar nutrients to mature potatoes, including vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. However, they may have slightly lower carbohydrate content due to their lower starch levels. The nutritional differences are generally minimal, but the taste and texture can make new potatoes a preferable choice for certain dishes. Question 4. Should I peel new potatoes before cooking? Peeling new potatoes is usually unnecessary because their skins are thin and tender. Simply wash them thoroughly to remove any dirt. Leaving the skins on adds flavor, texture, and nutrients to your dish. Question 5. Are new potatoes better than rice? Unlike rice, potatoes contain vitamin C. Furthermore, when consumed with their skin, potatoes provide 3 times the mineral content of rice, including higher levels of phosphorus, potassium, and magnesium. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.